So I'll be showing you how to disable or how to turn off app notifications on your Redmi Watch 4. So for this one, you're going to have to go to the Mi Fitness app on your phone and then tap on device and then make sure your Redmi Watch 4 is selected. So the next thing you want to do is go to app notifications and tap on that. Now, if you want to disable or to turn off all app notifications on the watch, then you can just turn those off from here. Okay, but you can leave that on and then come here to custom notifications, and then you can turn off notifications from specific apps. So let's say you don't want to get notifications from messages, you can turn that off. And maybe you want Gmail notifications or you want your calendar notifications to stay on while you turn off other apps. Just turn off the ones you want and then tap on done. And that is basically how to turn off app notifications on your Redmi Watch 4. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.